I have 4 corrupt videos, and they're such nice videos. I wanted to get them fixed, so wait for it. I went to Fix.Video, video repair tool, and I tried a couple different methods. Open a file, then diagnose it, and then I hit repair a couple times. I hit Re-Encode. The first video I did, when I tried to fix it, I had originally a 27-minute and 21-second video. When I hit fix, I got a minute and 16, minute and 18, minute and 19. And then when I hit re-encode, I got 27 minutes and 6 seconds. Definitely not 27:21. And then I tried another video. This video was 20 minutes and 11 seconds. When I hit repair, I got a 59-minute video. Then I tried it again. It gave me another 59-minute video. And then I hit re-encode, and I got a 19-minute and 22-second. Definitely the re-encode gave me more than the first time I tried to fix these or salvage the videos. So I got a longer video, but I don't have the full video length. So I guess this weekend and next weekend we're going to try running it through their website, see if I can get it fixed.